So far we have discussed so many examples based on linear equations in one variable. We have solved so many word problems based on that linear equation in one variable, and also we have solved some equations which has variable in both the sides. So let us discuss some more word problems or more difficult equations, more complicated equations here in this session. So first example is the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. Then what can be the original number? As we all know, in two-digit number, the number of digits are 2. One is in tens place and one is in ones place. So here, let the tens place digit is x. So here, assuming that x tens place digit is greater than ones place digit. Here I assume it. Then what will be the ones place digit? So ones place digit will be x minus 3. As the difference, because the difference is 3. It is given in the question. So our tens place digit is x and ones place digit is x minus 3. Then what will be the two-digit number? The two-digit number is equal to 10x, 10 multiplied with tens plus digit plus ones plus digit. So this is equal to 11x minus 3. Let this is our equation 1. So next, what will be the reverse number? If we will interchange the digits, that means the tens place digit will be x minus 3 and ones place digit will be x. So if we interchange the digits, so tens place digit will be x minus 3 and ones place digit will be x. So what will be the reverse number? So reverse number will be 10 multiplied with x minus 3 plus x. This is equal to 10x minus 30 plus x. So this is equal to 11x minus 30. So this is our reverse number and this is our original number. And in the next sentence it is given that the sum of original number and the reverse number is 143. So what is our original number? 11x minus 3 plus 11x minus 30 will be 143, as the sum of original and reverse number is 143. So this implies if we will add this will be 22x minus 33 is equal to 143. So we got this linear equation in one variable. Then we will solve it. So this implies 22x is equal to 143 plus 33. So this is equal to 176. So this implies x is equal to 176 by 22. So this is equal to 8. So we got x as 8. That means our tens place digit is x. So tens place digit is 8. So ones place digit will be 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So our original number, original two-digit number is equal to 85. So we can check that is 85 our original number plus 58 is our reverse number, that will be 143. So here I am taking tens place digit is greater than ones place digit. You can also take whether ones place digit is greater than tens place digit. If ones place digit is greater, then if tens place digit I will take x, then ones place digit will be x plus 3. Then the answer will be 58. So you can try for this also by taking this procedure. You can solve it where ones place digit is greater than the tens place digit. Next example. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present age. So here we will take, let the present age of Shriya is x and the present age of Arjun is 2x. So present age of Shriya is, let this is x, and Arjun, let the present age of Arjun will be 2x. In the next sentence it is written 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what will be Shriya's age? X minus 5. What will be Arjun's age? 2x minus 5. So it was given that 5 years ago his Arjun's age was 3 times Shriya's age. What was the age of Arjun before 5 years? That means 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 times of Shriya's age, x minus 5. So this implies 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. So here the variable is present in both sides. So we have to solve like this. 2x is equal to 3x minus 15 plus 5. So this implies, then you transpose 3x to the left hand side. 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 10. So this implies minus x is equal to minus 10. So this implies x is equal to 10. So what we have taken as x? X is Shriya's present age. So present age of Shriya is 10 years and Arjun is twice of 10, that is equal to 20 years. So we can check before 5 years what Shriya's age was 5 years, and before 5 years Arjun's age is 15 years, and 5 is 3 multiplied with 5 is equal to 15. So in this way you can solve. Present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 5:6. So find their present age. So here we will take from the ratio 4:5, we will take, let the present age of Anu is 4x and let the present age of Raj is 5x. So present age of Anu is 4x, of Raj let it is 5x, and their ratio is 4:5. This is given. Then after 8 years, what will be Anu's age? That will be 4x plus 8, and after 8 years the age of Raj will be 5x plus 8, and their ratio it is given, this is 5:6. Then we have to solve this. So 4x plus 8, ratio of 4x plus 8 and 5x plus 8 is equal to 5/6. So this implies, then cross multiply, 6 multiplied with 4x plus 8 plus 5 multiplied with 5x plus 8 is equal to, so this implies 24x plus 48 is equal to 25x plus 40. So this implies 24x is equal to 25x plus 40 minus 48. So this implies 24x minus 25x is equal to minus 8. So this implies minus x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 8. So here we got x is equal to 8, but present age of Anu is equal to 4x. That implies 4 multiplied 8 is equal to 32 years, and present age of Raj is equal to 5x. This is equal to 5 multiplied 8. This is 40 years. Then we can check after 8 years. After 8 years, Anu's age will be 32 plus 8. This is 40 years. Then Raj, his age will be 40 plus 8, 48 years. And their ratio 40 is to 48 is equal to 5 is to 6. So in this way you can solve this type of questions. Then we will solve some equations in which we will first convert it into simpler form, then we will find the value of the variable. So here it is given that 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Then we will simplify first LHS, then RHS, then we will simplify both the sides. So this implies, so here the LCM is 3, so 6x plus 1 plus 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. So this implies this is 6x plus 4 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Then we cross multiply. So 6 multiplied with 6x plus 4 is equal to 3 multiplied with x minus 3. So this implies this is 36x plus 24 is equal to 3x minus 9. So this implies 36x is equal to 3x minus 9 minus 24. So this implies 36x minus 3x is equal to minus 33. So this implies 33x is equal to minus 33. So this implies x is equal to minus 33 by 33 is equal to minus 1. So we can check it also by putting minus 1 in the left hand side and the right hand side. So check LHS 6 multiplied with minus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 5 by 3 plus 1. 3 minus 5 by 1. So this is minus 2 by 3. Then RHS is equal to minus 1 minus 3 by 6. Minus 4 by 6. This is equal to minus 2 by 3. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Let us solve next question. 5x minus 2 whole into 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 whole into 3x minus 7 plus 7 by 2. So here we will first simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So this implies this becomes 5x minus 2 multiplied with 2x minus 4x minus 2 multiplied with 7 plus 14 is equal to 3x 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. So this implies this will be x 5x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 6x 2 minus 4 plus 7. So this becomes x plus 14 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 2. So this implies x is equal to 6x plus 3 by 2 minus 14. So this implies x minus 6x is equal to 2, 3 minus 28 is equal to minus 25 by 2. So this implies minus 5x is equal to minus 25 by 2. So this implies x is equal to minus 25 by 2 to 1 by minus 5. So this implies x is equal to 5 by 2. So we can check it by putting this 5 by 2 here in the left hand side and right hand side. Next example, x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. In this type of equation, you cross multiply. So here 8 will be multiplied with x plus 1 and 3 will be multiplied with 2x plus 3. So this implies 8 multiplied with x plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied with 2x plus 3. So this implies this will become 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. So this implies 8x is equal to 6x plus 9 minus 8. So this implies 8x minus 6x is equal to 1. So this implies 2x is equal to 1. So this implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So we can check. So check LHS. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 3 by 2 by this is 4. So this is become 3 by 8. So what is right hand side? This is also right hand side. So it is proved. So in this way you can solve all the problems based on linear equation in one variable. So you can do the exercise also.